All right, well, I did get the insulator pad in, so that is on there, and I threw a few more things in the engine bay. Threw the AC condenser in there, got it kind of straightened up a little bit with the fins, and I threw a coat of paint on there. I will have to do something with the brake booster before I put it in. I was really hoping to get that in there, but it's going to have to be sanded down and repainted, and I do need a master cylinder. So I have not ordered the master cylinder yet, so I needed to go ahead and do that because that is really the next step. It's kind of holding me up a little bit in the back there. So I went ahead and moved on to the Type R engine here. Got it wheeled out, pressure washed, got it cleaned up pretty nicely. I struggled a little bit getting this transmission off of here, but I did get it off, and that's where the bad news starts. This thing was quote-unquote stuck in third gear is what I kept saying, but as you can see, the transmission third gear is completely stripped out. I'm not sure what all else is wrong with it with all those metal shavings that were in there. Not sure how long it ran. So this is going to need a total tear down. I'll probably go ahead and do the bearings and things like that since it does have metal shavings in there. I've never done this before, so it's going to be a learning experience for me. I'll be probably reaching out to some friends to get some advice and really figure out what all I need here. I do need a gear set here, so I'll be looking for that. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here because really this is all as far as I can go because I've got to do quite a bit of research before I start tearing this apart and getting a million pieces of this transmission in my garage and not knowing what to do with it. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. A little bit of bad news, but we did know that was coming. So hopefully I can get this thing repaired and get it back in the car because these transmissions are pretty expensive. I think these things go for anywhere from $1,500 to $2,500 depending on the condition and mileage. So this one here is not worth much. It's more of a paperweight, but we will get it fixed and we'll be moving forward. So we'll see you in the next video.